Let's start by plotting these 2 points. Okay, so approximately 4, -1 will be here. Right, so let's say this is 4, -1. Okay, and -10, -1 might be here. Okay. So this point here, right, if I calculate the distance between this point and this point, it's just the horizontal distance, right? So this is 10 units long plus 4, so in total this will be 14 units long. Okay, so the axis of symmetry here, right, I have to place it somewhere so that the distance between 10 to the axis of symmetry is the same as from the axis of symmetry to 4. Okay, so if I want to do that, I have to divide this 14 by 2. And doing so, I get 7 units, right? So at -3, -10 to the axis of symmetry will be 7 units apart. And from -3 to the 4, it'll be 7 units apart as well. Okay, so then we satisfied our condition that this must be symmetric. So the axis of symmetry happens at x is equal to -3.